All right, I'm gonna put the camera back in the water and show you the baby fish that we've had that spawned 2 months ago. So right now they're anywhere from what, 1.5 inches to about 4 inches, a couple of about 4 inches. So I'm gonna put this in the water, take a look at it. I'm gonna throw some food in, get them to come close to the camera and get a good shot of all the fish. If I don't fall in with it. So let me get this out of the water before I fall in. So I had it out there. Had to reach in and grab that, but I wanted to try and find some of the real small ones. I've got some in here that are still about an inch. So it baffles me with the way that they were spawning and hatched. We've got the ones that you saw that were real big. If you look down in here, you'll see the real tiny ones that are coming out. They're like only an inch. I saw one over here just a few minutes ago that was only about half an inch. See if we can find it again. They get spooked when you come around, so it might be hard to find it. Here they are, little tiny ones. See if we can find a couple more on the other side. Of course, the big ones are eating like hogs, which is why they're so big. Yeah, sorry for wasting your time, but I can't find the little ones. I may have to do a different video just to set it in here and show you the real small ones. Hopefully you got a good view of all the little ones, and they stir it up so much when they eat. So hopefully a lot of them came through and you saw them on the camera. We had gotten probably a good 70 to 80 small fish from here. I've got some up in that bog. I found some up in our plant pocket up here where we keep our plants. I pulled about 52 small ones out of there, and there's still some up there. Put them down in here. When they get a little bit bigger, probably a good 6-8 inches, I'll be taking them out, finding them all new homes. So hopefully you enjoyed watching that. If you did, give me a like. The more likes I get, if you like seeing the fish, I'll put it back in, film it for a longer period of time, and just watch the fish swim. There's a fish cave down in here. I'll put that down in there, and I'll just watch them swim all around that. So that might be something else I'll do a little bit later once they stop stirring things up. So again, give me some likes if you like seeing all those fish, and give me some comments telling me what you want to see about them. All right, thank you very much for watching, and we'll show you some more of those fish later.